Hello foodies, welcome to my channel Easy Life Experience. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also click the bell icon for all my new videos and notifications. Are you searching for an easy and tasty snacks or starters for you or your guest? Well, exactly in this video I am going to show you a very quick and tasty Paneer Tikka on Tawa with very minimum ingredients. Let's get started. For this recipe we need paneer 200 grams, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, onion, butter 3 tablespoons, curd 1 tablespoon, black pepper powder 1 tablespoon, salt as per your taste, chili powder 1 tablespoon, corn flour 2 tablespoons, lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Now take paneer and cut it into medium size. Once it's done, for the same size cut bell pepper and onion. Now take a bowl and add paneer, add green bell pepper, add red bell pepper, add onion, add black pepper powder, add Kashmiri red chili powder. If you don't have, you can also use normal red chili powder. Add salt, add curd, add corn flour. Now gently mix all these ingredients and make sure the paneer pieces are really well coated with the marinade. Once it is done, cover it and marinate it in refrigerator for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the paneer from the refrigerator. Now take the skewers and arrange capsicum, paneer and onion pieces like this. Once it is done, heat the pan and add little bit of butter. Once the butter melts, place the paneer skewers on the pan. Now continuously turn the skewers and make sure all the sides are evenly roasted. Now it looks perfect and aroma is also good, so it's time to remove from the pan. Wow, now the paneer is extremely soft and delicious. Once you remove from the pan, drizzle some lemon juice on the top and serve it hot. This recipe is quick and tasty, so do try this and enjoy. Once you try this recipe, please share your experience in the comment section below.